The LTO is reminding riders that passing a noise test is not the final word on modified exhausts. The LTO says a motorcycle that meets the 99 decibel noise limit can still be flagged if its aftermarket muffler is unapproved. Private motor vehicle inspection centers only measure sound levels and do not certify whether exhaust modifications comply with regulations. Authorities warn riders may still be apprehended if their mufflers lack proper approval or documentation, as enforcement against illegal modifications continues nationwide.
Naglabas ako ng memo regarding dyan sa mga mufflers, modified mufflers, o yung mga motorista natin na nagpapalit ng mga mufflers sa motor nila from big bikes to underboat. Based dun sa aming memo, hindi kailangan ng certification ng mga nakabili dun sa mga binili nila na tamang tindahan o yung dumaan sa DTI. Hindi yung galing lang sa gawa-gawa sa mga talyer o yung custom made. Yan ang pinaghihigpitan. Pero yung mga kababayan natin, yung mga motorista, na bumili kayo, binili nyo yung muffler ninyo aftermarket at dumaan yung muffler ninyo sa proseso ng DTI, hindi ho dapat hinuhuli yan.
The LTO and the PNP Highway Patrol Group are authorized to apprehend vehicles using non-compliant parts. Motorists may be required to present valid documents, including a certificate of road safety, to prove compliance with Philippine standards. In Central Visayas alone, nearly 200 motorcycles were impounded in the first 2 months of the year for illegal exhausts and other unauthorized modifications. The reminder is simple: stay compliant, stay documented, and stay out of trouble and fines.